Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by powering and charging the major Roman 4 so it can connect reliably. Plug the included USB-C cable in and charge until the LED indicates full. This prevents mid-setup cutouts. Once charged, place the cups over your ears and adjust the headband so the drivers align with your ear canals. This improves bass response and comfort. Now press and hold the power button. When the LED flashes, the headphones enter Bluetooth pairing mode and are ready for your device to find them. You now pair and learn the controls so you can use the major Roman 4 quickly and efficiently. Once the headphones are discoverable, open Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and tap Marshall Major Roman 4. Connection is usually instant. The multi-function knob controls volume with rotation and plays or pauses when pressed. It's tactile so you don't need to look. If you prefer no latency or need wired use, plug a 3.5 mm cable into the input. This bypasses Bluetooth and preserves battery for longer. You're almost done. Complete setup and verify everything works. Play music and make a short test call to confirm microphone and controls respond correctly, because early checks save time. If you want different tone, open the Marshall app to update firmware and adjust EQ for clearer mids or deeper bass. If you run into trouble, make sure to forget the headphones in your device's Bluetooth list, reboot both devices, and if needed, long press the power button for about 10 seconds to reset the headphones, then repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.